How to create a Phantom wallet on PC. Now first of all, type Phantom on search and go to Chrome Web Store and click on this search result. So as you can see here, click on add to Chrome and now click on add extension to be able to add the extension to your browser. So wait a few seconds to download the extension to your browser. And now after the download it's completed, now go and click on this manager extension and click on this pinned next to Phantom to be able to see it here. So click on it, and as you can see, now click on create a new wallet and click on create a seed phrase wallet. Now here you need to set a password, confirm the password. Now click on I agree on the term services and click on continue. So as you can see, the password must 8 characters. We'll just type on it. Now as you can see, click on continue. Now here you can now copy this phrase. You will need it in the next step. As you can see, I will just take a screenshot of it. Now after you copy it, click on I saved my recovery phrase and click on continue. And as you can see, your wallet is all ready for use. Now click on get started. Now if you click on your wallet from here, as you can see, your wallet is ready for use. You can receive, you can send, you can swap, and you can buy. So this is how to create a Phantom wallet. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.